In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create dynamic pages on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the top menu. From there, enable Dev Mode. This gives you access to the tools that support more advanced site features, including dynamic content. If you are building pages that pull information from a collection, this is an important first step. Next, go to the left sidebar and click CMS. In the CMS area, select Create Collection. A collection is where your content will be stored in a structured way. Think of it as a database for your website content. This is what allows Wix to generate multiple pages using one layout and different pieces of content. Once the collection is created, add the fields you need for your content. For example, you might create fields for a title, an image, and a description. These fields act like categories for each piece of information you want to display on your dynamic page. Setting these up clearly from the beginning will make the rest of the process much easier. After that, begin adding your content into the collection rows. Each row represents one item, and each field in that row holds the content for that item. This is where you place the actual text and media that will appear on your dynamic pages. Be sure your content is organized and complete, since your page design will pull directly from this data. Now return to the CMS panel. Hover over the collection you created and click the three dots to open Site Actions. From that menu, choose Add Dynamic Page. Then select Item Page. This creates a dynamic page layout that will automatically display content from each item in your collection. With the dynamic page created, start building the template by dragging elements onto the page. You can add text boxes, images, and other visual elements depending on the kind of content you want to show. This page acts as the design template for every item in the collection, so keep the layout clean and easy to read. To connect the content, click on an element, then click the Connect to CMS icon. Map that element to the correct field in your collection. For example, connect a heading to the title field or an image element to the image field. Repeat this for each element, so the page pulls the right content into the right place. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your dynamic pages will now be live and ready to display your collection content automatically. That covers everything you need to know.